Hello everyone. If you are moving from a PS4 to a PS5 and want to transfer your hard-earned Elden Ring save data, I am here to walk you through it. So let's make sure you don't lose any progress as you continue your journey in the lands between. First up, we need to ensure your save data is backed up to the cloud. On your PS4, go to Settings, then head to Application Save Data Management. From there, choose Upload to Online Storage and select your Elden Ring save file. If you are a PS Plus member, cloud saving is included, so make sure it is enabled. Now it is time to switch over to your PS5. Make sure you are logged in with the same PlayStation Network account. Go to Settings, then Save Data, and Game or App Settings, and choose to download your save file from the cloud storage. Select Elden Ring and your save data should download to your PS5. Once the save file is downloaded, launch Elden Ring on your PS5. Your save data should load automatically, allowing you to pick up exactly where you left off. Keep in mind that some games may have a minor differences between the PS4 and PS5 versions. Now, if for some reason your save data isn't showing up, head back to Save Data Management and make sure the correct save file was downloaded. And that's it. That is how to transfer your Elden Ring save data from PS4 to PS5. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.